Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through exactly how to grow on Substack in 2025 step by step. So whether you are just starting your newsletter or you want to expand your audience, these strategies will help you get noticed. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, when you come here on substack.com and log in into your account, you are going to see this type of homepage for Substack. The first thing that you need to do here is to simply pick a focused topic like the tech analysis or personal finance or storytelling. A clear niche is going to help your readers know exactly why they should subscribe you. The second thing that you need to do is to simply post consistently. Over here, if you click on the option of posts in the left hand section, you will be landed here on this page where in the published tab, you are going to see all of your published content. The best part about Substack is that you are also going to see the option of scheduled. So you can set a schedule whether weekly or bi-weekly you want to post. Substack favors the creators who publish regularly and your readers will come to expect and trust your updates. Now, the third thing that you need to do is to optimize your titles and intros. So here, if you click on the option of create new, then select the option of text post, you will be landed here on this page. On this section, you can type your title or the intro, and this will be the body of your paragraph. So over here, you need to always write catchy subject lines and you need to start with a strong opening paragraph. Remember that readers decide in seconds if they will keep reading your content or not. So you need to keep this thing in mind. The next thing that you need to do is to leverage free and paid options. You can offer free posts to build trust and you can mix it the exclusive paid content to monetize your content. A balance between both grows your audience and your income. You can also share your posts on social media like Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, or TikTok. So you can also join niche communities and drop your newsletter links in the bios, profiles, or signatures. In order to do that, or in order to find the link of your posts, simply come here on the post section, then select the option of published here in the top. Over here, you will see the list of all of the content that is available in your Substack account. So you need to right click on the three dots right next to that particular post which you want to get the copy link. After that, copy the link from here and now you can share this link in order to promote it on social media platforms. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.